Assalamu alaikum. What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can implement alert dialog in our Flutter application. So alert dialog is basically a form of notifying the user, just like you implement via toast, or you show some message and you use scaffolds snack bars property. So just like that, we will implement alert dialog in today's tutorial. So let's get started. So I'll be implementing two buttons, one with a simple dialog and second dialog with two buttons. So let's first implement that. So I'll be having raw with main axis alignment dot center, and in the cross axis alignment dot center, and set the main axis alignment to space between, and in the children I'll be implemented two elevated buttons. Okay, so let's run this code first. Okay, so after running this code successfully, we can see the output. So I think we should wrap this raw with center. And space evenly. Yes, now looking fine. So it's time to implement the dialog box. For that, I'll be creating another function, and then we'll place this function inside the onPress method. Let's name it simple dialog, and I'll pass the context. To create alert dialog, you have to return a show dialog function, which in the return method would return alert dialog as a widget. So I'll be returning a show dialog which takes a context. You have to pass this context. It receives a builder, and in the builder you have to pass another context, and when returning you have to pass this alert dialog. Alert dialog has title and content. So in the title, I'll using text widget simple dialog, and in the content I'll be having a text 2, and let's say implemented simple dialog. Okay, so now I will use this function inside our first onPress method. In the onPress, just apply this function and pass the context. So now after hot reload, let's check. Okay, so it's giving me some kind of error. No material localizations found. Either use material app at the root, include automatically, add a localization with it with material localizations.delegate. Okay. Okay, so now fix this error first. I have to create another stateless method, and let's say, and I can return the material app here. And in the home I can assign this my app. So let's hot reload. Okay, we have to restart the app. Okay, media query call context that does not contain media query. Okay, material app, media query, material app, alert page. Oh, sorry, I forgot to pass this alert page. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so now it is running. Simple dialog. You can see this is the title and this is the content. Implemented simple dialog box. So yeah, it's working fine. So now let's try with buttons as well. I will create another function. Pass the context. It receives the builder, and in the builder you have to apply context and return alert dialog. Apply a title. In the content, let's okay. So to implement the buttons, you have to use another property of alert dialog, that is actions, which receives a list of widgets. You can apply elevated button. Let's say this button pops out this dialog box. Navigator dot pop and pop from this context. And in the child I can apply text as close. Pass on the context. Okay, so let's test this one also. Okay, so now let's test this one also. So yes, it is working fine, and when I click on this close, it pops out this dialog. So let's see it with a third condition. Let's say I don't want this dialog to close when the user clicks outside the dialog. Just now it is popping out whenever you click outside. So I have to make one of the property, that is barrier dismissal, to false, to force this dialog to not dismiss when the user clicks on the outside. So in the show dialog there is a property of barrier dismissal, and I can set it to false. And now after hot reload you can test it. When I click outside it does not dismiss, and when I click on this close button it dismisses. So I think it clears the concept. So that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe this channel. And for more amazing content, please hit that bell icon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.